problems because of the wind at Pearson Airport. WestJet tweets a ground stop is in effect, meaning flights can't take off or land.
The Blue Jays go with Jay Happ in Tampa Bay tonight. Dalton Pompey expected to get the call from AAA. And Dwayne Casey says all is not lost. Sports at 45's jurisdiction. Toronto Hydro experiencing scattered outages across the city, including in large areas of East York and north of Etobicoke. They do have extra crews on hand, but they also want to leave, but they won't be able to drive back in. Of course, pedestrian traffic in the park is being allowed in. As one officer said, they are advising people to use their own caution, but they can't seal off the park to everybody. What we do know is tree limbs and trees have snapped off in numerous locations. The 911 call. Just a little further to the west here, possibly up Bloor Street. I'm located on the Bloor entrance to High Park. Just going to wait till that fire truck gets by me here. We've been hearing sirens in this location.
Flights can take off or land. Roughly 200 flights have been canceled so far. That ground stop implemented by air traffic control is because of the strong winds. Now, WestJet says it apologizes for the inconvenience, but safety is the top priority. WestJet tweets to some of its dismayed passengers. The Toronto staff is working diligently to rebook those passengers who have been affected. Now, Porter Airlines says there's also a ground stop at Billy Bishop Airport. That's on top of a number of cancellations and delays that were caused this morning by fog. So not a good situation at either airport, especially at Billy Bishop. Again, no flights landing or taking off from both Pearson Airport and Billy Bishop because of the high winds. Reporting live, Amber LeBlanc, 680 News. 680 News Time, 6:38. A lot of issues on the TTC today because of these high winds. Service is suspended on Line 2 between Victoria Park and